Potentially one of the oldest engine houses in Cornwall, Wheal Pool resides on the east side of the Loe Valley, just south of Helston. The mine reached a final depth of 50 fathoms, or 92 metres, or 300 feet, using a pumping engine of a 20-inch engine in 1855, a 30-inch Boulton and Watt engine in 1800, and also a 30/36-inch Hornblower and Winwood compound engine built in 1794. Only one wall and what appears to be the bob wall of the engine house survives. However, the foundations of the opposite wall can also be seen here. Attached to the remaining wall is also the remnants of the boiler house. The boiler house door leads to the two remaining walls of the boiler house, where most likely a single boiler would have sat. The site is just a short walk from the fairground car park in Helston and is quite easy to access, although in the summertime it is partially overgrown. Also, to my knowledge, there are no dangers of open mine shafts nearby.